Curious about the ultimate in luxury travel gear for 2024? Wondering which high-end luggage pieces will redefine your travel experience? Well, get ready to indulge in the epitome of travel sophistication. From sleek designs to innovative features, these 11 luxury luggage pieces are set to revolutionize the way you travel. Let's start on a journey through the creme de la creme of luxury travel accessories. Welcome to the world of luxury, the ultimate destination for anything extravagant. To keep up with the most recent happenings in the luxury world, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so we can keep you updated with more of our content. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 11 is the esteemed Delcy Chatelaine Air 2.0 21-inch spinner, a testament to resilience and elegance. With a price tag of $257, this suitcase stands as a beacon of durability, boasting a design influenced by the captivating essence of Parisian architecture. Crafted to withstand the rigors of travel, it seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it an indispensable companion for any journey. Whether navigating bustling airports or exploring quaint cobblestone streets, the Delcy Chatelaine Air 2.0 21-inch spinner embodies sophistication and reliability, elevating your travel experience to new heights. Securing the 10th spot is the Puget Voyage's 26-inch large trunk, symbolizing reliability and elegance. Priced at $372, it transcends mere luggage, serving as a custodian of your belongings, safeguarding them through every voyage. Blending durability with style, it exudes the spirit of adventure, poised to join you on every excursion. Crafted with meticulous precision, the Puget Voyage's 26-inch large trunk epitomizes quality craftsmanship, instilling confidence and sophistication in your travels. As you start on your next expedition, rest assured knowing your possessions are sheltered in a masterpiece of design, promising both peace of mind and a touch of luxury on your journey. Taking the 9th spot on our list is the Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus, an epitome of functionality and sustainability. Priced at $425, this expansive suitcase revolutionizes travel convenience, introducing innovative organizational features tailored for today's adventures. Beyond its utility, it embodies a dedication to eco-friendly production, resonating with conscientious travelers' values. Crafted with meticulous precision, the Paravel Aviator Carry-On Plus establishes a new benchmark for travel gear, harmonizing practicality with environmental consciousness. With its seamless blend of functionality and sustainability, it ensures every journey is not only effortless, but also environmentally responsible, setting a standard of excellence for the modern explorer. Occupying the 8th spot on our prestigious list is the Leatherology Castler Large Duffel, an epitome of spaciousness and luxury. With a price tag of $430, this weekender transcends expectations, offering an abundance of space wrapped in sumptuously smooth leather. Crafted with precision and care, it exudes sophistication, promising a travel experience like no other. From its sleek design to its buttery smooth texture, every aspect of the Leatherology Castler Large Duffel speaks to the discerning traveler's desire for both style and functionality. Prepare to indulge in a truly luxurious journey, where every moment is adorned with elegance and comfort. Moving on to number 7, we shine the spotlight on the Carl Friedrich The Carry-On X, a masterpiece that seamlessly blends style and functionality. Priced at $595, this exquisite suitcase exudes sophistication with its aluminum frame and sleek leather detailing. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, it epitomizes luxury travel at its finest. From its durable construction to its elegant design, the Carl Friedrich The Carry-On X elevates every journey, allowing you to traverse the globe in style. Prepare to make a statement with this stunning piece of luggage, where practicality meets incomparable craftsmanship in perfect harmony, ensuring your travels are as refined as they are seamless. Securing the 6th spot on our prestigious list is the Brix Bellagio version 2.0 carry-on spinner trunk, a symbol of reliability and elegance tailored for luxury travelers. With a price tag of $665, this stylish carry-on embodies sophistication, boasting a design that seamlessly blends functionality with wealth. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, it exudes timeless elegance, making it the perfect companion for discerning travelers seeking both style and reliability. Whether traversing bustling airports or strolling through chic boulevards, the Brix Bellagio version 2.0 carry-on spinner trunk ensures you journey in utmost luxury, elevating your travel experience to new heights of refinement and comfort. But before we go on, I want you to know that I'm always making new content. So, make sure to like my video and subscribe to it so you don't miss anything. Next up, we have the Antler Brixum set, making its mark with a price tag of $716. This soft-side luggage ensemble epitomizes durability, functionality, and style, catering to the discerning tastes of luxury travelers. Crafted with precision, each piece in this set combines practicality with elegance, ensuring a seamless travel experience. From its robust construction to its thoughtful design, the Antler Brixum set redefines luxury travel, offering versatility and reliability in equal measure. Prepare to start on your next adventure with confidence and sophistication, as this luggage set promises to elevate your journey to incomparable levels of comfort and style. Taking the 4th spot, we have the Briggs & Riley Simpatico Large Spinner, commanding attention with a price tag of $769. This expandable suitcase is a testament to exceptional capacity and durability, designed to meet the needs of the avid traveler. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, it seamlessly combines functionality with style, ensuring a seamless journey every time. From its innovative expandable design to its robust construction, the Briggs & Riley Simpatico Large Spinner redefines the standard of travel gear, promising versatility and reliability for all your adventures. Prepare to start on your next journey with confidence, knowing you have a trusted companion by your side. Claiming the prestigious 3rd position is the Steamline Luggage, the Sweetheart Carry-On, captivating travelers with its vintage-inspired charm and modern functionality. Priced at $895, this exquisite suitcase seamlessly blends timeless style with contemporary features, offering a truly indulgent luxury travel experience. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, it embodies elegance and sophistication, reminiscent of a bygone era while catering to the demands of modern-day adventures. From its sleek design to its impeccable craftsmanship, the Steamline Luggage The Sweetheart Carry-On promises to elevate your journey to incomparable heights of refinement and luxury, making every excursion a memorable experience filled with elegance and grace. Coming in at number 2 is the Tumi Large Split 2-Wheel Duffel, making its mark with a price tag of $1,095. This spacious duffel sets the standard for the top-of-the-line design and durability, catering to the needs of the discerning traveler. Crafted with precision and expertise, it offers ample storage capacity without compromising on style or functionality. From its sleek exterior to its robust construction, the Tumi Large Split 2-Wheel Duffel promises a seamless travel experience, whether navigating bustling airports or starting on adventurous expeditions. Prepare to indulge in luxury and convenience with this exceptional piece of luggage, where every journey is elevated to new heights of sophistication and comfort. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list, we have the Rimowa Original Cabin, seizing the top spot with a price tag of $1,430. This aluminum masterpiece seamlessly merges sleek design with substantial capacity, establishing itself as the epitome of excellence for luxury travelers. Crafted with precision and finesse, the Rimowa Original Cabin embodies sophistication and durability, setting a new standard in the world of luxury luggage. Whether starting on a transcontinental voyage or a weekend retreat, this iconic suitcase promises incomparable style and functionality. Prepare to elevate your travel experience to extraordinary heights with the Rimowa Original Cabin, where every journey becomes a statement of refined elegance and incomparable comfort. There you have it, presenting the definitive list of the 11 best luxury luggage pieces of 2024, offering a spectrum of styles, durability, and functionality. Whether your preference leans towards timeless elegance, rugged durability, or cutting-edge innovation, there's a suitcase on this list tailored to your discerning tastes. Now, it's your chance to engage. Which of these luxurious luggage pieces captured your attention? Join the conversation by sharing your thoughts in the comments below. And that concludes our video showcasing the world of luxury. If you enjoyed this content, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.